Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Hey folks, today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Vivo X100s Pro and Vivo X100s, both of which are flagship phones that were just launched yesterday. Both of these phones are focused on camera performance and come with the recently launched flagship processor, the Dimensity 9300 Plus. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. So, here's the unboxing of the Vivo X100s Pro. The phone comes in moonlight white color, while the X100s comes in space gray. When you open the lid of the box, you'll find a 120-watt charger, a data cable, a transparent case, and a user manual. Taking off the plastic wrap from the phone, you'll notice the glossy glass back of the moonlight white X100s Pro. The X100s, on the other hand, comes with a flat screen. The box contents are almost the same for both phones, except the protective case, which comes in black color. This is the silicone case, and here's the Vivo X100s phone in gray color. It has matte textures on the back, making fingerprints less visible. Both phones have a glass back and a metal frame. The X100s has a flat frame, while the X100s Pro has a slightly curved frame. Personally, I prefer the flat screen design as it feels more solid, especially for gaming. You can see the screens of both phones here. In the Vivo X100s Pro, you get a curved screen, while the Vivo X100s has a flat screen. Both screens are the same size and support LTPO technology. The main difference is in the shape of the screen, whether it's flat or curved. So, friends, let me know in the comments section which type of screen you prefer, flat or curved. Looking at the specs of all three phones, the Vivo X100 comes with the 9300 processor, while the X100s and X100s Pro both feature the recently launched Dimensity 9300 Plus processor, which is quite powerful. The Vivo X100s and Vivo X100s Pro have a difference in their display chips. The X100s features the V2 display chip, while the X100s Pro comes with the V3 display chip. You can compare the Antutu scores of all three phones here. You can also check out the camera comparison between the X100 and X100s here.
It lasts, try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart.
By the way, I uploaded a detailed review video of the X100s yesterday. If you haven't watched it yet, you can find the link in the description below. Also, I'll be uploading a detailed review of the X100s Pro and X100 Ultra very soon, so stay connected with our channel. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos, well as me signing off. Thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.